Here's a pair of the Sony ULT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV. And this is the LG TV that has Web OS. So first thing is go to your settings on the LG TV. If you have a magic remote like this, you can click on the settings. Or if you don't have a settings button, we can just navigate. Just click on the home button on your remote. Click on home. And then you just want to navigate to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So let me navigate that way. Let me go up. And then I'm going to move over to the right there, the gear icon, select on OK. And then from here on the left pane here, what you want to do is go down. Down again to sound out right there. Currently is going to my internal speaker. Let me select on the right arrow button here and just keep moving down till I see Bluetooth, okay? Oh, let me select that, sound output. Now, let me move to the right. I don't want that one. That's what I want, sound output to Bluetooth. I have to go down, highlight device list, click on OK on the remote. Okay, and now we're here. You can see down here where it says search. It has that little spinny thing. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up quickly and put these in a pairing mode, okay? So you have the one power button right here, okay? So these are currently off. Let me press and hold this, turn them on. Let me press and hold for about 4 seconds. And we'll know if this is in pairing mode is blinking blue, 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 blue. I'm not getting a blue, 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 blue. I'm getting like a blue because I think it's connecting or trying to connect to another TV of mine or another phone. So for me to put these in pairing mode for myself, I need to first turn these off now. I'm going to press and hold for 4 seconds or until the lights go off. Now it's off. Now this time I'm going to press and hold that power button. I'm going to keep on holding until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. Keep holding. Where's it at? Keep holding. Blue, 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 blue. There it is. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we got to go back to the TV. And I took too long because it stopped searching. So let me make sure the search is highlighted again. Click on OK on the remote and let it search again. These are still in pairing mode. And then we should, and there it is right there. It just showed up. Make sure it's highlighted in fuchsia right there. And then click on OK. Oops. Let me click on OK right there. And it just said Ultware is connected. Up there, you can see the check mark. And there you go. We're all paired. Now the thing is, if you had issues pairing or connecting, then go ahead and try to factory reset these, okay? If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below in the description.